Thanks for watching BluePay's Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains video series. In this 8-part series, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know about BluePay's Assure By payment processing plugin. This is the 5th video in the series, where we will show you another way to use the payment processing plugin to fit a typical Great Plains ordering process by authorizing funds, fulfilling orders, then going in to capture funds at a later time, or also known as the fulfillment flow. To get started, first click on Sales from the left side menu. Click on Sales Transaction Entry. From the document type list, select Order. Next, select your customer. Select the product for the order. Now, once all the correct order fields are populated, from the Additional menu, select Assure By Transactions. Within the next prompt, click Yes. Now, you will see that authorizations are the only processing option. Select to use an existing payment method for this customer, or you can always add a new method. Make sure that all of the details are correct, and click Process. You'll soon get the results of this transaction, and it looks like this authorization has been approved. Now, you can see that the document amount is still listed as on account, even though a transaction has been successfully authorized. The amount received field is not updated until the authorization has been successfully captured just before shipment and posting. However, in the background, a process hold has been placed onto this document, which will then prevent it from being posted until the capture transaction has actually taken place. Now, before we want to capture these funds, we'll need to transfer this order into an invoice, which will only take a few quick steps. First, from an open and completed order with an approved transaction, like the one we've just created, go to the Actions menu on the top left. Scroll down to Transfer, and then select Transfer to Invoice, and include the totals and deposits checkboxes. Next, click Transfer. We want this to transfer onto the screen, so select the according checkbox. Click OK. Next, you'll see a window confirming that the transfer has been successful. Click on the X to close this window. Now you'll see that our older order has been transferred to an invoice. Scroll up to Options and click Allocate or Fulfill. In this window, select Fulfill and click OK. Next, we're actually going to capture these funds. So to do this, we'll use our newly transferred invoice, click on the Additional menu and scroll down to Assure By Transactions. Within the Change To field, scroll down to Capture and click Yes to confirm. Next, you'll see the amount populate in the window. If you need to adjust the final amount to process due to something like shipping, you can do that here. Verify that all details are correct, then click Process. And this transaction has been approved. Now, you'll notice on the bottom of the invoice, the amount received, which used to be 0 at the authorization, has now populated to the total amount of the invoice, now fully processed. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Microsoft Dynamic GP videos. If you have any questions about this plugin, please contact BluePay's integration support team at integrationsupport@bluepay.com or at 800-350-2684.